That is good.
I just eat it with the white sauce.
You try it now. But you know I cook, but you...
I'm eating it, Kevin. I just don't eat broccoli.
Yeah, just try. I'm going to do the chores today. I'm going to clean the house, then I'm going to cook some food. I don't know what type of food I will cook. Yesterday we had I don't know, it's like we had like sinigang. Yeah, sinigang. Granola and then some Greek yogurt.
Wow! I don't like that on the side.
You don't like this? This mixed berry. You like this?
Can you add some honey? But I don't like this.
Why? See?
So hard.
No. You get 1,000 from you. O'clock pa lang pero sobrang init na dito. We are going to the market now and to buy some food. To buy something to cook. Are almost here. It's only like from our place to going to the market is like 10 minutes of walking, guys. Exercise in the morning keeps the bad doctor away. Guys, after walking, nandito na tayo. Ito ang isa sa mga supermarket dito sa Thailand. This is what they called Macro. Ito kami namimili ni Chanel kasi mura yung mga pagkain dito, especially yung mga karne. Yung gulay medyo may kamahalan pero hindi naman kamahalan pero pasok sa budget, pero ano siya, hygienic. This is my duty. This is the husband duty because I'm the cooking, right? Cooking. Yeah, if there is a cooking, there is also a cooking, right? Mura yung cost of living dito, di ganun kalaki yung bilihin. Okay siya.
Lemon, 39 baht.
Okay, sa tingin ko magcha-chop suey tayo ngayon kasi yung mga pagkain dito na gulay puro chop suey. Yan. So siguro chop suey na baboy, chop suey pork. We don't eat much pork but because that's why we don't eat much pork now. We're gonna eat konting baboy lang. More on chicken kami, guys, pero when magpo-pork tayo para roasted chicken 119. Okay, so roasted chicken. Wow. Roasted chicken is 119 baht. Pero guys, sawa na kami kasi sa chicken magkakapakpak na kami. So gulay naman tayo. Lagi kaming nagugulay. Masarap ang gulay. Healthy ang gulay. Kailangan din natin ng baby chicken. Alam nyo ba yung baby chicken na maalat?
Huh?
I call this baby chicken na maalat. Sa Tagalog, iklog na pula. Tayo na iklog na pula. Yan, may iklog na pula dito. So, 6 na piraso is 45 baht. Umuwi kami ni Chanel sa Pinas, medyo nagtaas nga yung billing. Kabagay na mura dati. Kasi 7 years na akong hindi umuwi ng Pinas. So, itaas na lahat ng mga billing. Lahat yan inflation. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, maging dito sa Thailand. Nagtaas lang yung mga billing. Pero konti lang din. Hindi mo siya halos mararamdaman. Pero ramdam ko kasi wala akong pera. So binigyan ako ni Chanel ng 1,000 baht.
4,000 baht na yung kailangan mapagkasya ko yan.
533 yung nagastos ko. So guys, wala tayong bag. So ito yung bag natin. Nilagay natin siya. Guys, ganito sa Thailand, walang mga bagger. Parang ganyan lang. Walang mag-aayos ng bag. Walang mag-aayos ng pinamili. At pupunta pa tayo sa isa pang market. Ito yung wet market. Yung parang sa atin palengke. Guys, ano? Kanin. Benta lang yung avocado. Hindi na tayo papatok sa loob. Mahaba yan guys, hindi pa nakakapunta si Chanel dyan. Ito, dito na tayo sa bahay. So guys, babad muna. So guys, this is carrot juice. Guys, pinagsama-sama ko na yung toyo, bawang, sibuyas, tsaka kalamansi. Wala kalamansi, kamatis. Guys, while we are waiting for the chop suey, I'm going to make some carrot juice. See guys, carrot juice is very healthy for the kidney, to the liver, and to some parts of our body. Wifey.
大好きだよ。
So I'm just making pakulo. Pakulo. Ito yung watermelon na nabili natin, which is 45 baht. Sobrang tamis. Ito na, Chop Suey with Love by Truly Yours, Kevin. Nagugustuhan niya kaya.
Ha?
Chicken liver?
Yes.
Is that the chop suey?
Yeah. So healthy. Take a bite of it, it's very healthy.
This is very healthy. Fine. Is this okay to eat?
It's cool.
Oh.
It's so good. You like the corn?
Dairy corn. It's not just any corn, it's a dairy. How dare you just say, do you like corn? So do you like the dairy corn? Say.
Baby corn.
You know what it's like?
I'm trying to remember.
No, no, no!
That is good.
I just eat it with the white sauce.
You try it now. Well, you know I cook, but you...
I'm eating it, Kevin. I just don't eat broccoli.
Yeah, you try. Good. Good.
Eat how many?
Hindi ka mabigilan ang aking nadarama. Lagi kay kasama, ang ito'y
Baby plus.
tunay na ang pagsinta. Happy ending pa.
Right for your face.
Ikaw si Mr. Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba icing sa iba ng pag-ibig ko?
Yeah, you need that because you are always sleeping late.
Ikaw nga ba babalik ngiti sa akin mga Mr. Right ko ba?
Very masarap tayo. Okay guys, see you again on our next vlog.
Mr. Right ko ba?
Yes, studying still.
Masarap na.
Mr.